here is my oven. This is WhirlPool oven. The model is AKZ430 and I'm about to power it up. So at start it is in stop state, but if I press like 5 seconds or more on the select button, I'm switching to the configuration mode. So here is my current setup. This is 014 and it can change on the, if you want to press and then on the rotary knob on the right you can switch to the value you get in the door of the model. So here is the 013. I press to enable, and I believe if I press again the select button it will show all the settings of the configuration mode. So let's get back to the beginning. Then if I switch to different state, I expect it is testing different each element of the oven. So here is, I believe, for testing the right rotary knob, and the next one is probably for testing each element. So you can press on the select button and it will toggle on and off each element. You can hear it and see it on the sparkle on the relay board. So I assume it's okay. Then I have no idea what is this on state. If I long press on the select button, I can switch it between on and off. So the documentation you can find online is telling to set everything on. So let's do it. So long press on the button, and once it's blinking you can change the value with the right button. So let's set it on, and now if I go to the next steps it will just crash with this error. So just show you the time since we set it up. It is more than 2 minutes, and let me show you this ANTARES board on this model. And it has also a Gemini 2B control panel. So the oven is still on, and we are now above 3 minutes, which is unexpected because if you adjust it on it will crash about 2 minutes and 53. And here also in the door you find the references and the service number you have to use in your configuration settings. So it's still on, and yeah, we are now above 3 minutes. So I can expect it will stay this way a long time. But then if I, and like I said before, just move the left button, yeah, it's just crash in this F03 mode. I believe it's about EPROM.